Hello YouTube. Hey, I just want to cover this Honda that I have since 2020. Honda Accord 2017 i4. I posted a year ago video where I needed to replace, unfortunately, the transmission in it, which I did, and the at that time it was about 82,000 miles, but I'm having issues since 66,000 miles on it. And I bought it used at a regular dealership, and it turned out to be down the road the problem with the transmission. But yeah, I replaced that transmission around 82,000 miles last year, and this is it. I reached for the first milestone, 100,000 miles. Just want to share with you, I pretty much, once they fixed it, the transmission at the Aamco transmission place, I had a few odd sounds when I driving it from the driver's side where the wheel area is. It's still, there is that small sound here and there, especially at the low speeds if I'm making a left turn, for example. But if I'm making a right turn, it won't be happening. But there is that screeching sound here and there if I turn it on the left hand side, the steering wheel, again only at the low speeds. But yeah, with this day and age, with all these prices going through the roof for the cars, I still plan to keep this car. It gives me a decent gas mileage. Right now it's about 29 from the when I fill up the gas, and it's again 29 miles to the gallon as we speak right now. So yeah, I just want to walk around a bit. It's a Honda. It should be last for a long time, I bet. That's what I plan to do, trying to keep it clean, and I'm trying to do all maintenance what is needed. But right now with the 100,000 miles, yeah, I'll need that spark plugs change, probably coolant. I don't know. So those are the two major things that I plan to do in the coming weeks. And of course, with 100,000 miles on it, I plan to change the oil as well. So here is from the back. Not long ago, like 2 weeks, I placed and I changed the tires. Right now they are brand new tires. I bought them at the Costco. Honestly, they are so good, but they are expensive as well at the same time. But I did good deal, I'd say, at the Costco. Still, after the alignment at the other spot and what I paid for these at the Costco, nearly $1,000 for what's the model? Michelin NX V4. And these are made let me see. So the week right there, the 33rd week or the 24th, and these are made in Canada. It's a EXL model, and if I go inside, so yeah, there you have it. That milestone, first milestone with this car, 100,000 miles with the new but used transmission and the engine, original engine. I like its engine, honestly. It's one of the reasons why I keep this car. So yeah, it's right there for this trip, 29 mpgs. That's very, very impressive for this size of the car. Leather is pretty much intact. It's good. I bought it used back in the 2020, like I said. with the 19,600 miles on it at the local Chevy dealership here in Gwinnett, state of Georgia. If I step on the outside, all right, let me prop the hood. So yeah, there's the engine. I'm impressed with the engine, not so much with the transmission like I said, but yeah, engine really sounds nice these days, even with 100,000 miles on it. There's your hood. Hood is basically aluminum made with these EXL models, very light. So yeah, I'm hopeful it's going to last me a long time. I plan to keep it for as long as I can, and as long as it's reasonable with its price, no major replacements and changes. My plan to hit maybe, God knows, but right, we all trying, when we buy something for ourselves, at least in my case, I'm trying to keep for a long time, and I'm keeping it in a decent shape as much as I can. Yeah, the plan is going forward 300,000 miles, God knows. So yeah, here it is, decent car with this crazy economy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about the car itself, place your comment and question in the comment area, and I'll be glad to answer to you on those questions. So yeah, have a good day and see you in the next one.